Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how to create this decorative ribbing edge. Additionally, I will also show you how to create corners if you decide to use these stitches on the blanket or cardigan or any other projects. For this edging I work a puff stitch between every set of front raised stitches, and in this example I place a puff stitch between every second set of two front raised stitches. The technique is the same but the design looks a bit different. To begin, you will have to crochet one row or one round by working double crochet US stitches or treble crochet UK stitches, and by working the second round we will form the pattern 2 by 2 by working two front raised double US stitches or two front raised treble UK stitches and two half WS or two half treble UK crochet stitches between them. And after that, when you have completed these two rows or rounds, we will going to work a puff stitch around the stitch. Next, I will show you how to create the corners around your work for the first two rounds. If you look at this pattern diagram, I have presented two variations and one stitch difference in the corner between them when you are working your first round. It also could be two stitches difference, as it will depend on your initial pattern where you work the edging around. You may also require to make some adjustments depending on the stitch quantities in the design. The second round in both diagrams look identical. Here you work the first round of treble crochet UK or double crochet US. You've completed all your stitches. You come to the corner space. Now I would work two treble UK or WS, chain 2, 1, 2, and work two treble UK or WS again. And now I have created the corner. And now work two treble UK or WS around each stitch. It will be two stitches per row. 1, 2, 1, 2. Continue working on your first round by working treble crochet UK stitches or double crochet US stitches. To begin a new round, chain 1 and work one half treble UK or half WS as your first stitch, or you can chain two stitches instead and it will count as one half treble UK or half WS stitch. Next work the second half stitch. After that work one treble UK or one WS raised stitch around the post. 1 and 2. Next two halves, 1 and 2. Next two raised stitches, 1 and 2. Now work two halves, 1 and 2. Now work 2 times treble crochet UK or 2 times double crochet US, 1, 2, chain 2, 1, 2, and work 2 times treble UK or 2 times WS again into the same space, 1 and 2. Work 2 halves, 1, 2, 2 raised, 1, 2, 2 halves, 1, 2, and 2 raised, 1 and 2. Continue working on the round by working 2 by 2 pattern. To begin the third round, chain 1 and work 1 half treble crochet UK or 1 half double crochet US stitch into second stitch from the hook, or you can chain 2 stitches instead and work 1 half stitch again into the next stitch. 1, 2, remove stitch marker, work 1 raised stitch around the post, treble UK or WS, yarn over. Now we're going to work 1 treble crochet UK or 1 double crochet US stitch between 2 raised stitches. Now we're going to create a puff stitch, yarn over, around the post pull once, yarn over, around the post pull 2 times, yarn over, pull 3, yarn over 4, yarn over 5 times, pull through all your loops, secure, don't tie it, just have loose stitch, secure, and work 1 treble UK or 1 WS around the post, raised stitch, 2 stitches, half treble UK or half WS, I have to remove it, it's stopping me. Now work again raised stitch, 1, 2, 2 half, 1, 2, and once again we're going to create a puff stitch between raised stitches. Work 1 treble crochet UK or 1 double crochet US between 2 raised stitches, and work a puff stitch around the post of your treble crochet UK or double crochet US stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and around the post raised stitch. Now we have 4 stitches here. Work the first 2 stitches, we're going to work half treble UK or half double US crochet stitches, and the last 2 stitches we're going to work treble raised treble UK or raised double US stitches. One, 2, and raised stitch, 1 and 2. Next work 2 times half treble UK or half WS, chain 2, 1, 2, and 2 halves again into the same space, 1, 2. After that 2 front raised stitches, 1 and 2, and 2 halves again, 1 and 2, front raise, 1, this is the corner. If you are working on the blanket, you can continue the pattern 2 by 2 and place the puff stitch between 2 front raised stitches. You can also work a puff stitch between 2 front raised stitches by working puff stitch between every sets of 2 raised stitches. Next row, this next row, after you completing your last raised treble UK or WS, you're supposed to work 2 stitches here. Now you will have to work 3 half treble UK or half WS stitches, because we're going to join these two stitches into one. Therefore we need to add additional stitch just before the puff stitch. You still keep 2 stitches here, but only add 1 stitch here. Okay, yarn over into stitch 1, 2, 3. Now raise stitch, pull once, pull through 2 loops, keep 2 loops on the hook, yarn over around next post, pull once, pull through 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, and pull through all 3 loops. Next we work only 2 half treble UK or half WS, 1, 2, raise treble UK or raise WS, 1, 2, and once again 3 half treble UK or half WS, 1, 2, 3. Now joining stitch, going to work 1, 2. Now we have to work 2 raise stitches, 1, 2, half stitch, half. Now we're going to work into space half treble, 2 times half treble UK or half WS, chain 2, 1, 2, and 2 halves again, 1, 2, 2 halves, 1, 2, raise treble UK or WS, 1, 2. Continue working on your row or your round. The next row will be, we have 3 stitches already here. We will have to work half treble UK or half WS, 1, 2, and 3. Next we will have to work raise stitch around these both join stitches, 1. Next 2 half treble UK or WS, 1, 2, raise treble UK or WS, 1, 2. Once again we will have to work 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, raise stitch around these both join stitches, 2 halves, 1, 2, raise, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 halves, again 1, 2 into corner space, chain 2, 1, 2, again 2 halves, 1, 2, and 4 halves before you raise stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be our corner space. After that, work an additional row or round of single crochet US or double crochet UK stitches. You can also work half double US or half treble UK stitches instead. I have crocheted a few examples here. This one is a single US or double UK stitch, work on the face side, and this one work on the wrong side, and this one I work half double US or half treble UK crochet stitches. My preference will be a single US or double UK work from the wrong side. It gives a curly texture on the face side of the fabric. This tutorial has come to an end. Thank you for watching. For those who are new to my channel, if you like to see more videos in the future, please subscribe to be notified when I add a new video. Enjoy your day or evening, and I will see you soon.